Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it, Regsvr32 error. So number of error 0x800004005. So how we can fix it? First we need to go to our search tab and just write in search tab CMD. So here you can see command prompt, so just right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. So now you click Yes. Yes. So here you can see our command prompt, and now you just need to write, here must be pass C column /Windows /System32. If not, just write this, go to this directory, and after you go here, just write Regsvr32 /napa run button ocx.ocx and just press enter. So here you can see that I also have error, but you maybe won't see this error, so you just need to try, and I hope that you will fix this error by entering this command, and you won't see this error again and you will fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.